Hey guys, I'm Jonna, this is Caitlin, and today we're going to be showing you how to do a waterfall braid. So you start with the beginning of the hair at the very top, divide it into 3 sections like you're doing a normal braid. Take the top one, cross it over the middle, take the bottom one, cross it over the middle, and then you take the top one again and cross it over the middle, but you add a section of hair from the top as if you were doing a French braid. So you add that to the top one. So that's crossed over the middle as well. You take the bottom piece that you have and you drop it. And then you grab another piece as if that was that last piece. And then you cross that one over the middle. And then you take the top, cross it over the middle, grab another piece as if it was a French braid, add it, and cross that over the middle. Then you take the bottom one, drop it, and you take another piece from the bottom and you cross it over the middle. And you just keep doing that pretty much all the way around. So I'm just going to keep doing that. Okay, and a lot of people like to keep going until about the middle of the head in the back, and then they'll braid the other side back and knead it and pin it, or they'll tuck it under this piece of hair and pin it, or just pin it as it is. But I'm gonna continue to braid, and then I'll show you how to tie it off the way that I'm doing it. Alright, so I'm just gonna go to about, well, a couple inches from where her ear is, because her ear is right here, and that's where I went to, right there. So I'm just gonna take the front and pull it back, and then just continue in a normal braid down. Sorry, I have to reach her. And Caitlin, she has very, very long hair. It's a pain to take care of, by the way.
It's worth it.
She just said it's worth it, though, apparently. So, hey, can't argue with it. So you just keep braiding down. And down and down. And keep going down. And since her hair is fairly thin, she's gonna have a pretty small braid So instead of using a hair tie, because it kind of gets bulky, I'm going to tie it off with a little elastic. There you go. So yeah, it's really cute. Put your head back. Pretty much starts from this side, goes back, and then into a braid. It's really quick and easy. Like this video only took 5 minutes just to do this. It's really quick in the morning, like if you need a really fast hairdo, like for school or even for work or whatever. It holds back the front of your hair. Can't argue with that. So, thanks guys. See you next time.